Hey there, Julie Tibbles here, and I just want to show you how to use the Multicast on the AO scan. So the first thing you're going to do is go into this section here called Cephi. Click on Cephi, and then at the very bottom you'll see it says Multicast. So click Multicast, and now you have the option of importing a group or a person one at a time. So groups are great if you know you're going to be sending frequencies to the same people over and over again, whereas one person, if you're just sending frequencies today and not going to do the same group of people, then you just would add in one at a time. You can create groups of people. So when you click on your profile at the top, you would just go to Manage Client Groups, and anybody who already has a profile in the AO scan can be added to a client group. So I already have some groups set up. I have a demo group here set up for this particular reason. So the first one I have in here is my business. You can also add in spaces and objects. So I've added in my business here. First thing I want to do is select what Cephi playlist I want to send to my business. So I'm going to click on that, and let's just say I want to select abundance and wealth. And these are Cephi lists that I already have created. And then the next thing we want to do is select a flower. So we click on flower, and then we do this little scan button. And this is going to tell us what emotional barrier there is to accepting these frequencies, so that when we're sending the frequencies, it's also addressing this emotional barrier. So right now it's saying my business has the emotion of fear that's blocking it from accepting abundance. So and then you can create an affirmation. I'm going to add in I am abundant. Oops. And then we're going to go to the next person. So the next one is me. I'm going to again select a playlist, and let's say I want abundance as well. And then I'm going to click on the flower button, scan to see what my emotional barrier is. Right now it's saying indifference. I'm going to write I accept, so that I can fully accept all these good frequencies. And then we move on to the next one. So I have my cat in here next, and you just follow down the line and do the same thing for each person or space or object. So I've got Kingston, my cat, and Luna, my dog. So I would do the same thing for them. And then when you scroll back at the top, after you've done all that and you're ready to send the frequencies, you can choose 30 seconds or 2 minutes or 5 minutes. And then I like doing the 2 minute. And then once you have your time selected, you can choose to play everybody's frequencies all at once, or each person one at a time. So I prefer to do each person one at a time. So I just click on that button there, and it's highlighted blue for whoever it's working on at that moment. Where if I press just the play button, you'll see everybody's blue because it's sending all the frequencies at once. So I hope that helps. Please let me know if you have any questions.